Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for 15th of September 2025. So starting with Forex Factory, we don't have any heavy impact news. In USD, we have one medium back 1:30 p.m. And going down further, you can see Tuesday 1:30 p.m. core retail sales and retail sales So these are the news on Tuesday. And Wednesday, we have FOMC news, economic projection statement, and press conference. So that's very heavy impact news. And that's 7 p.m. Right. Going on to Thursday, we have unemployment claims at 1:30 and medium impact 1:30 Philly Fed Manufacturing Index. And Friday, we have no heavy impact news in USD. However, you can see JPY have impact. If you trade on JPY pairs, you may have to look that. Right, going on to the charts, see what's happening in gold and weekly. We're interested in weekly because it's the start of week. Weekly, there's a bearish candle with the rejection. So it's a rejection candle. And the area of interest for the week, point of interest in other words, this is a point of interest in week. That's where the prices can come or test this level. There's a fair value gap. So what I'm looking, maybe prices go up and then break the structure which has made in whatever time frame, probably daily or uh, any other time frame, and then come down this level and towards the end of the week, we may find prices come up to here. And another option could be sweep up this liquidity on the top and another heavy week, and then we may find this area can be tested this around this area in the following weeks. So see how this will work out. Let me move my camera a little bit. Sorry about that. Okay. So that's the situation in weekly, but we don't do anything without confirmation. So daily, let's a quick look on a monthly as well, and it's a very bullish candle. And daily, there's a rejection previously, and these are all dodgy candle, or you can call it evening star, or whatever you call these candles. Now, this area is still valid. I just draw a line. It doesn't show much daily. So all I can say that on the valid confirmation, we can see the price is going up to this level, 36.75, and 3600 is the other level. So mark is kind of in the range. And 4 hour, as you can see, we have a fair value gaps here. So currently, this 4 hour is showing this is break of structure, if you call it so. From here is there's a break of structure here, this candle, but that would be clear in smaller time frames. Although it's many of you may not call this break of structure, but here, look, we have a double top here, so price is coming down, it rejected here, and in smaller time frame we have a clear picture, and this was the level here. You can see it has been tested, And then if we count this as a fake breakout, that would be a triple top, and the prices are coming down. And currently, market is in kind of range. So going on to the 30 minutes, the market is ranging in between this area. We don't have any clear movement in the market. In this case, go to smaller time frame, 15 minutes, as you can say, 15 minutes range as well. So what the market is doing. We take a bigger picture. It's a range. It's not a very clear picture of the gold at the moment. So it has to break this level to go to the test the all-time high. It has to break this level, and also it has to break this level to go down. So market is currently moving in between these two levels. Effectively, this is the highest currently we have, and this lowest. So market is currently moving in internal range area. So what do we need to do in this kind of situation? We'll go in smaller time frame, 5 minute or even lower, and we'll see what the situation is. And before I go do that, you can mark 1 hour for the possible rejection and look for buy trades around here to the point of interest here. As you can see, there's a fair value gap and breakout structure with a bullish candle, and we possibly can see a good buy from here up to the around this area here. So let's see. 15 minutes. Market testing by it's a break. Support becomes resistance becomes support. In this case, this was the resistance and it has become support. So now it has to break this or even take liquidity from here to go back to the upside in 15 minutes. And I'll go to 5 minutes. Again, it's not very clear picture. So even a good trade is probably best idea to look for around this area here or even here. These are the good point of interests. So around, and if the market goes down further and weekly we have 3600 level, so that would be a very strong level. Going back to daily again, just to see. You can see daily is bearish, close bearish as well. Previously, this daily was to the upside and rejection to the from downside to the upside, and now it has given us this target according to this candle. And now I'm expecting possibly come to at least this level or even test this level, this fair value gap, take the liquidity and to the upside, hopefully, unless market want to test this level as well. So we always look for the point of interest in higher time frames, as I said, in 1 hour. And if you can find in 4 hours as well, then look for that as well. And from there, we can use smaller time frame for the entries. This is 4 hour as well, around 3630 around areas. And as weekly, as I said, 3600. And if you go further down, so possibility that depending on what sort of news impact we have market may test this level, as I said. fair value gap as well, around 3600. So these are the strong areas. So you have to look for it with the confirmation, and yeah, hopefully you'll get a good trade from there. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.